If you've received a sidewalk violation or sidewalk lien from the city of New York, it probably came out of nowhere. Maybe you fixed your sidewalk a few years ago or didn't even know there was an issue, but now there's a sidewalk lien blocking your property and holding up your closing or refinance. Removing that sidewalk lien doesn't have to be complicated. At Permits in No Time, we handle the entire process, from assessment, DOT permitting, and site inspection to fast-tracking your final lien cancellation letter that clears your property for sale or transfer. No contractor? No problem. If you don't have a professional GC to do the sidewalk repairs, we can provide you with ours that consistently passes inspection for other homeowners just like yourself. While other services simply call 311 and wait 90 plus days for approval, we go straight to the source, working directly with sidewalk management to resolve any open sidewalk lien violations fast, typically 66% faster than our competitors. No wasted time, no confusion, just results. With over 20 years of experience handling DOT and DOB matters across all 5 boroughs, we know exactly what documentation and follow-up your sidewalk lien needs. You'll have me, a real consultant, guiding you, not some cold online form or AI chatbot that talks to you in circles. Our mission is simple: protect your property and get your lien removed in no time. If you've been hit with a sidewalk lien, don't wait. Click below to contact my team and I directly when you're ready to move forward with your removal. We'll help you clear your property records, protect you from paying unnecessary escrow fees at closing, and move forward with your life stress and violation free.